closures. You cannot go anywhere you want to get to. Anywhere you're trying to get to, you can't get there in a car in London today. It's not going to plan. I've come out today with the intention of shooting my review video for the Action 6. The problem is I've been waddling around for about 2.5 hours trying to get to the bit of London I need to get to park up, but I can't. You've got the protesters out today. They're shouting and screaming. The police have closed the roads, and then you've got the general traffic, the general London traffic, the general London madness. I've only got about 1.5 hours left of daylight, which I don't think is enough. Because by the time I get there, well, I'm not getting there now because I'm going the other way. I can't get there. I just can't get there. So I said, you know what? Let's park up. I think we just take a walk, brave the people, get a Starbucks, one of the Christmas drinks. I haven't got one yet. And I'll come back out tomorrow and try for take 2. So I said, you know what, we might as well film something. Not gonna film nothing. Yeah, Sometimes things just don't go to plan. And you gotta say, f it. Also, I've just parked my car here, right? What would you say is a reasonable amount to charge per hour just to park my car there? Well, I'll tell you what is not a reasonable amount. £9 an hour. These guys are taking the piss. So, just in case you're wondering about the settings, I'm not in auto mode, I'm in pro mode. This is so weird. I'm actually like doing things in reverse because in my head I'm thinking I've already said this, but I haven't, because I haven't shot my video like I said I was supposed to today. So this video is obviously gonna come out after that main video, and in that main video I talk about like obviously what I don't like and what I do like, and one of the things I don't like is auto mode, which I usually do like. Anyway, so we're not in auto mode because I just think there's issues in auto mode with the exposure and color and all that stuff. So I'm actually in pro mode, normal 10-bit color, minus 0.3 on the EV, -1 on the texture, -1, no, not -1, 0 on the noise reduction. It is windy, so I think I might need to put the wind reduction on, because you've got two levels, standard and high. I have got the mic mini in my bag, so I might put that on if it gets really bad. But I kind of just want to show you how it sounds kind of straight out the camera, because again, one of the things I really love is the upgraded mic setup, because we've got a mic on the top now, which means when I'm speaking behind the camera like this, you can hear me much clearer than you could on the Action 5. But obviously if there's loads of wind, then you won't be able to hear me at all. Oh no, we've got blue sky. It's been raining all day today. I've even got the umbrella. As I was leaving, my mum was like, James, take the umbrella. I was like, I don't use umbrellas. I think I've used an umbrella like twice in my life. But because I was obviously coming out of filming, I was supposed to be filming. Well, I am filming. She was like, oh, take the umbrella. So I've got the umbrella, but the sun's coming out. I thought daylight sun was going. I thought we only had a little bit left of the daylight sun. I looked on the weather app, it said the sun was setting. That's why I took the decision to obviously just do this. Hey, look at the old school bus. This is the old school bus from the olden days. Look at it. I've activated the lossless zoom, which again, I'm not like, oh, I'm stuck between the bikes, hold on. I've activated the lossless zoom, which again, I haven't said it yet, but I will say it. I'm like in between, I'm like in the middle. Sometimes I like it, sometimes I don't. In like the tests I've done, sometimes it's blurry, sometimes it's not. Anyway, I've activated it because this shop is Blank Street Coffee, which I actually really like. But I also want to try Christmas Starbucks drinks. I think we come back to Blank Street another day. So I've deactivated the lossless zoom now, because I've got nothing to zoom in to show you. Oh yeah, I have. The angels, oh hold on. There you go. Lossless zoom reactivated. These are the flying angels. They're not obviously on at the moment because it's daylight, which is annoying me even more. Maybe I maybe I should have just, yeah. Oh, this is a bit close. Anyway, 2 times lossless on the face. By the way, I have activated wind reduction high because it is very, very windy. If it gets extreme, then I might have to connect mic mini. But right now, I think we're all right. But yeah, so this is how we're sounding with the wind reduction high. I think we need to deactivate this lossless zoom now. Oh, we got human traffic jam, the busiest crossing in London, Piccadilly Circus. Look at the people, look how many human beings there are. Yeah. Oh yeah, keep your phones in your pockets. Hold your cameras tight. Okay, there is no space through this gap. Look at it, look at it. So, we're gonna go round the bus stop. Don't get knocked out by the bus. It's all about strategy. So right now, I said whilst I'm here, I want to go over there to Lush to get a new face mask. Because you know, you've got to look after the skin. And there's not a Lush by me, like where I live. Well, actually there is, but it's just a hassle to get to. I said, whilst I'm here, let me get my face mask. Ooh, look at the glitter balls. Okay, I know where I need to go. And that is... Oh no, they've changed it around. Oh no, here, oh no. I knew it was at the back. Never doubt yourself. I started walking away, here we go. So the one I usually get is this one, the blue one. Oh, they've got a matcha one. Oh, right. Maybe I get both of them. Ooh, look at these. Now, I know it looks like food, but this is not food. This is face masks. Right, the decision has been made. Turmeric. The lady sold me. She saw me looking, and I was telling her my usual one, and she was telling me how good this one is. So, turmeric it is. I do love it in Lush. My only, is it advice? Maybe my only advice or criticism is the customer service is a little bit too OTT, like they just stick to you. Like as soon as you go in, it's like, oh, can we help you? I'm like, no. Are you sure? Have you seen this? You must buy this. Let me show you this. Chill. It's just a little bit OTT. That's sometimes I've actually avoided going in Lush because I'm like, they're gonna jump on me when I get. Oh my God! Look, the angels have ignited. I don't know if you can see it, but they are on. Literally, they just turned on. Can you see it? Okay, I reactivated the 2 times lossless zoom. I know this is just pathetic because I'm trying to show you lights that are in front or below a blue sky. I think this is gonna need like us to wait about half an hour for you to be able to see them properly. You can just about see them glistening. Look at them go. Let me give you a tip when you're walking down Regent Street like I am. Don't walk over there. Don't walk over there. Walk in the middle like this because there's no one here. So you're not having to, like, you know, try and get past people. You got the whole aisle to yourself, apart from the odd person crossing. Oh look! Another one of these buses. Look at it. It is one of these old school buses. Oh, I think someone's got married. Look at it go. Oh look! Look at the bear! Look at the bear! Look at the bear! Look at the bear. If I'm not mistaken, this shop is a shop of folded paper like things. Like, look at this. Like, these are all made out of paper lanterns or whatever it is. And this is the queue to get in the shop that sells paper lanterns. Yay! We have made it to the land of red cups. Oh, look at the little advert! Look at the little man! Oh, you can't see it. Screen's flickering. Anyway, I've got my red cup. I have my red cup, but I am disappointed. This is meant to be a chocolatey mousse latte. That's what it's called, one of their Christmas drinks. You might have seen the pictures because, like me, you might have been sucked into thinking, wait, you might have been sucked into buying it because it looks so great. Starbucks, what the f is this? The lady gives it to me, I taste it, I'm like, this just tastes of coffee. I open it, there's no mousse. There is no mousse. So I went back to the lady, I said there's no mousse. She then got her little dispenser thing out, she squirts the tiniest bit of mousse on top. She forgot the main ingredient. Don't get sucked in like I did, because I'll be honest with you, this literally just tastes of balls.